YouTube, what's up you guys? It's your boy D Sauce and I'm back with another banger. Yes sir. Hey, this for all my beginners out there, man. I'm trying to teach you guys how to catch more bass, how to have more confidence in bass fishing, because it can be a struggle. Everybody not that good at bass fishing, but it's something that you can work on. That's like with anything in life. You can work on it, get better at it, strive to, for greatness, man. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna, continue putting out these videos, teach you guys to catch more fish. Right now I'm pond fishing. I'll be, in the boat sooner or later, But yeah, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We lit, baby. Let's go. Got a bite, guys. Ooh, I got a bite. Ah! Ripped it out of his mouth. God dang. Damn. First bite. Ripped it out of his mouth. I knew I should let him eat it. They here. Let's go, big fella. Let's go. D Sauce is in the building, y'all. Oh yeah, we definitely got us a slab. Come on, big boy, get out of that grass. We definitely got us a slab. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Yes, sir. With the rage crowd, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Yes, sir. Look at that beauty. Oh, yeah. Look at the mouth on him. Woo, he's a fat one. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Got me a tank. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, smell like fish. Let's go. Live bass. We live, baby. Let's go. Look at that bucket. Yes, sir. Oh, Lord. Gotta get it back in the water. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Let's get a release on it. Alright guys, the only thing I did different was just change my approach. Really changed my location too, because I've been throwing over there for the past, I don't know, 10 minutes, no bites. So you just gotta move around. You know, a lot of times when we fish the obvious where you think they should be or know they should be, and they be the total opposite. So if you used to throwing that cover and they not there, try to throw it in the open, and maybe they'll be there. So you just gotta know how to adapt, know how to switch up your approach. Maybe you're going too fast, maybe you need to slow it down. Maybe you don't need to slow it down, maybe you need to speed it up, twitch it more, you know. And, you know, you just gotta switch it up sometimes. Throw it at a different angle. A lot of that works. These bass are predators, so they like to ambush. So see how you see that cover? I might throw on the side of it and bring it right on side that cover so they can ambush it. If one is in there, might not be one there. Try a different angle. See, this is a good spot because it's like a current break. Like that cover with the wind blowing, it's like current, but and that cover is there. Well, because that cover is there, it's like a break in the current, and that's where fish line up. Now remember, guys, if you ain't getting no bites, you got all this water. Keep moving. Keep moving. There's more than one fish in the whole pond. Got a bite. There he is. Yes, sir, let's go. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go. These sauces in the building, stop playing. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to teach you guys, man. I'm trying to teach y'all, bro. I can't wait to enter one of them tournaments. Look at that. Look at that hook set. Boom. Look at that. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. He would have counted. That's what I'm talking about. These sauce, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I'm telling y'all. Let's go, baby. Another slab. I'm trying to teach you guys, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hey, I'm learning as I go, and I can teach y'all as I go. But you gotta subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I can show you guys when I'm learning. Cause I do my research. I'm trying to get results. I'm trying to enter tournaments. Let's go. Let's get a release on that boy. Yes, sir. Oh, I got a bite. Got him. Let's go. Look at my pole, y'all. Let's go, number 3. Let's go. These sauces in the building, baby. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. We lit. Keep the pressure on them. Get on the boat. Let's go. Let's go. Slap. Stop playing. Let's go. Oh my God. Look at that tank, bro. Oh my God. A freaking tank. Woo! Oh! I'm telling y'all, subscribe to the channel, baby. We lit. Woo! I'm telling you, change your approach. Hey, you just might pull one of these boys out. Slap. Let's go. Got another bucket, baby. Got another bucket. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that bucket. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yes, sir. Let's get a release on him. I'm telling you guys, there's more fish just in, you know, a certain area. Sometimes you gotta just move around. And all I'm doing with this rage crawl, I'm throwing it out there. I think I got a 1/8 ounce sinker on there, and I'm just reeling it. Just reeling it slow. A straight retrieve. Sometimes I'll pop it, but that's mainly it. But what helped was the rain and the wind. That's helping these fish be more active, and they just want to feed because it's been so hot. Down here in Louisiana, it's been hot. I'm talking about, it got up to like 116. And I ain't fishing no 116 Fahrenheit, cause I'll be past that, mess around, have a damn heat stroke. So I just been trying to wait till it get cool or this type of weather. And man, yes sir. I got a bite, guys. Oh, got a bite. Got one. Let's go. Let's go. He's running with it. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Woo! What a day. What a day, y'all. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. A little pounder, but he's a keeper. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can't say it enough, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. These are not the same fish, I'm trying to tell y'all. Let's go. Let's get a release on him. Look at that boy. Yes, sir. Let's get a release on him.